It feels like meat in my mouth.
So I really like the texture of the gudeg. It was really nice. I never had it in my life before.
Mr. Akash.
This looks beef.
But everyone has it, right?
Jagat Raya Indonesia tercinta, piye kabar rek? Yo hari ini kita dolanane ngendi yo nek Yogyakarta. Ya jadi kan akeh tenan sing request Mbak Mawar suruh masake gudeg. Bukan gedeg, gudeg. Bukan budeg, gudeg. Apa sih? Yo jadi iki aku nggak ero ya tuh bumbunya apa ya. Itu setengah malam dibangun ke Bu Bos katanya Mbak Mawar recording. Allah udah nggak dibayar, dimasakin terus dipaksa bikin recording. Ya jadi seperti teman-teman lihat itu di TV, di layarnya ya. Jadi tinggal di pause aja terus teman-teman coba tebak aja bumbunya apa-apa aja yang dipakai Mbak Mawar. Nah ini aku ketinggalan ini. Ya jadi ini apa aku pakai baking powder. Resepnya aku cari di YouTube ya, jadi yang non daun jati karena nggak duwe nek kene gak enak sih jual daun jati. Wes ya, jadi pertama itu aku tak bikin kayak gudeg dulu. Nah ternyata tuh semuanya gampang teman-teman. Jadi bumbu halus di blender, terus masuk ke bumbu cemplung, masuk ke santan, terus nangka muda ya, nangka enom, terus masuk ke air kelapa. Nah iki air kelapa. Untungnya aku nek Kanada semuanya tuh serba jadi aku nggak perlu manjat pohon. Ya terus ya wes diaduk-aduk masnya. Nah setelah itu cemplung ke endok piro siji loro telu papat lima enam wonge 6 ya, jadi 6 ae. Biar ke masak lah sampai matang. Itu tak cemplung ke gula merah ya wakeh tenan. Semoga ini nggak kemanisan ya wes. Nah selanjutnya itu Mbak Mawar bikin risoles. Ini tuh favorit. Jadi si ibu bilang tambahkan risoles ayam Mbak Mawar, tapi si vegetarian. Misalnya tak masukkan ayam pasti nggak tahu tuh mas abenya. Tapi nggak boleh gitu loh, itu namanya nggak jujur. Mbak Mawar itu diajarin karena mbokku harus selalu jujur. Jadi penggantinya tak kasih ini jamur tiram. Nah oyster gitu loh bahasa Inggrisnya. Ternyata loh karena teksturnya tuh seperti apa? Seperti daging apa ya, daging-dagingan. Ya jadi simpel sama kayak bikin risoles berdaging. Nah ini ya cuman diganti aja dagingnya pakai tak masak kayak gitu. Teman-teman lihat aku nggak tak share bumbunya tapi banyak lah di kupet. Nah yang penting itu jangan lupa ditambah ke tepung ya. Jadi tepung dicairin air biar agak ngental gitu, jadi enak gulungnya. Nah selanjutnya ya wes pakaikan kulit. Nah itu kulitnya Mbak Mawar versi malas ya, jadi toko nek Korea. Bukan maksudnya nek toko Korea. Dah guys, siap dihidangkan buat teman-temannya si ibu. Oh by the way on the way busway teman-teman, iki menunya vegetarian yo. Jadi semuanya itu buat yang vegetarian. Cuman Mas Abai iku nggak makan endok, jadinya cuman ibu sampai ya teman-teman yang lain. Ya wes, delok ke pokoknya pas mantep seperti gudeg yang ada di Yogyakarta. Rasanya pasti enak tuh. Sama dulu ya masak Mbak Mawar, malah ada ruangnya sepanjang hari. Ya wes yo, see you next time teman-teman. Aku tak turun maning, tak mimpi lagi kangen sampai bojoku. Bye bye.
Without egg goes to Mr. Abe.
Without egg?
Without egg, yeah. Yeah.
Bring it.
This is for Mr. Akash.
This looks beef.
But everyone has it, right?
Yeah. You eat it.
Yeah.
But like, that
Okay.
look on your face was really
Everyone
good.
has it, but everyone eat bean.
But I tried her. She told me she's gonna do something vegetarian.
That's vegetable, don't worry.
But
Are
this
you-
is more interesting.
Are you going to cry again?
Why? And this is for Mary.
Oh, I also want to.
Hi guys! Welcome back to BNay channel! So today we have, ta-da! I think you guys know already. I mean the people first. Today we have Pato, aka Eric. And we have Mary. Hi! This is our team Mexico! And me and Basti, and then we have Akash.
Hello.
And Abai, and our team India. So guys, today the meal what you have in front of you, it's a special meal. I think it's gonna be like a surprise when you try it. It's a vegetarian one. So
Wow.
before we start to eat, I want like Eric, Murray, and Abai telling how long have you been a vegetarian. Because introduction, they don't know like who's the vegetarian actually, but they know like 3 of us not. And that's why this meal tonight it's dedicated for you guys, the vegetarian, because there's no meat at all. Well, we have eggs for those who eat eggs.
I mean, we had so much food, and this is all
Exactly.
only from one island of like
yeah,
how many?
the food that we tried.
17,000?
Exactly. Java, the most populous island in Indonesia, where we have the capital as well here. So this meal, it's coming from Jogja. This one. This is quite the center of Java. So this is a city of culture. The Java people like to eat something like spicy and sweet and a bit salty. So if you try the meal, you're gonna understand, okay. The meal altogether, we call it gudeg rice. Gudeg, yeah. So gudeg is actually this. You see the brown dish in front of you, yeah. So that Abai thought it's meat because it looks like meat, but don't worry, Abai, it's vegetables. Anyone can guess what is that? I mean, like, yeah, it looks so ruined, so it's hard to guess.
I can use.
Yeah, oh, you're good. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah, it's jackfruit. Have you tried jackfruit?
Never.
How about you, Mary?
Never.
Abai? You tried jackfruit.
My mom used to make, but I never tried it. That's why she told me, why are you trying it?
Hopefully she's not watching
So
it.
yeah, this is, sorry mom. And Akash, do you know jackfruit?
Yeah, I've tried a lot of times.
Oh, so Akash is familiar. How about you, baby?
Yeah, I think I've tried jackfruit.
That's true.
Many
Yeah,
times.
we cook it before as well. Now, apparently, it's getting more famous in here because all the vegetarian and vegan people go for jackfruit for their protein. So there's apparently high on protein.
Okay.
Yeah, the rest of it we have a potato and tofu, and then this one. Normally with rice gudeg, we don't eat it with this one.
Okay.
We eat it with like a tempeh, fried tempeh.
So what's this?
This is, we call it risoles.
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 Spanish.
Yes, because it's
Risoles.
influence, like I think it's Portuguese people brought it to Indonesia. Like a spring roll, but it's breaded.
Okay.
Yeah, so with the filling, you can do variety. But for this case, the filling is vegetables.
Okay.
So I put
Okay.
carrot and potato in there and oyster mushroom.
Oh,
Yes. The other version is you can put eggs, you can put chicken, you can put ground beef, everything. So it makes it like whatever you like. So Indonesian love this as well. How we eat it though, it's different. And when we eat fried meal, we always bite it with chili. So like basically,
delicious.
yeah, basically you bite it and you get the chili in your
Yeah.
mouth. But you eat what's convenient for you. I won't push you, Murray. We are not competing. Dig in. If you have questions, just ask me.
Just curious, what is this kind of thing?
The crunchy thing is a fried onion. Yeah. So you eat with spoon.
Perfect.
So
Alright.
enjoy.
Thanks.
So I have a question.
Yes.
What is
Okay, everyone stops.
what is the egg? Why is it brown?
Yes, because the eggs it's cooked with the vegetable.
Oh,
So then it's just absorb the brownness. I'm taking the spice. Yeah, you eat it. Yeah, the best thing to eat with with the spicy as well because it's gonna give like a lot of variety of like flavor.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. But don't go crazy if you don't want to be like too crazy tonight. Exactly. So enjoy, guys. I hope you like it. As I said, it's gonna be a bit different. It's a
There are leaves in there?
what is in English? It's the bay leaf. It's eatable. It's not poison.
It's like orangey.
Orangey?
Orange. I feel like orange.
Oh, the vegetable.
Yeah.
It's the slow cook. If I don't slow cook it, it's hard actually.
Okay.
So you mix everything?
Yeah, we normally Indonesian we eat and we mix everything just to give you more flavor.
Wow.
You try the sauce? You like it?
It's amazing.
See, I told you you're gonna like the sauce. The sambal.
Different kind of.
Different kind, yes. We have 100 different kind of sambal.
I love this.
So whenever you say sambal, it means it has some sort of spice in it.
Yes, yeah.
And this is?
This is a rice cracker.
Okay.
I love it.
He's just like enjoying the resource first. I can imagine you're gonna like the one with the blue. So try bite it with the chili. It's Indonesian, right?
Food
You don't like to eat bite big, just a little bit. So
You try?
And then bite that one.
Is it? I'll go first for my egg.
Yeah.
I love egg.
This is potato?
Korean tofu.
I have got a lot of invitations from Java.
You can go to every corner of Java.
Every corner of Java I'm gonna go.
I'm really surprised by this. That it's actually sweet.
Yeah,
I did not expect this.
exactly. That's what I
It is,
said.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. You're gonna be surprised when you eat it. It's actually sweet. That's the Gudeg. The real one, they use like a very special leaves, but I cannot get it here, so I just do it like in a different way. But we put palm sugar, and that's where you get the black color as well from the palm
You
sugar.
put sugar in there?
The palm sugar, and then with the coconut water and the coconut milk.
It's totally different how my mom used to make it.
I know, I bet.
Try the chili.
I'm not giving you my...
Aww. That's so cute, because I'm not giving you one.
You can cook yourself.
That's why I put everything.
Salmon.
2 spoons for himself, guys.
It's delicious.
Gotcha.
It is.
So you like that one? I know. You can bring it home because I have a lot. Yeah, I mean like this all, and then there's some in there.
So like you coated with the breadcrumbs?
Yeah.
Do you guys share like a lot of cuisine? Indonesia and India?
I guess yes.
Yeah, I'm not this
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
But the method is to use the same ingredients.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking actually. Like we all have like around the world like kind of the same ingredients, but we usually do it like in a different way.
Yeah.
And the flavor like maybe it's the way that you add it
Yeah.
or the process that you apply it. But it tastes like totally different. All of them.
And also the spices make it, right? Like spices are like local sometimes.
Yeah.
So even if you have like the same kind of ingredients from like main ingredients,
Yeah.
you spice it differently and
Or
like a
yeah,
completely different meal.
or fruits they taste different. Like avocados from Mexico, avocados from South America.
Yeah.
What do you say about the jackfruit?
It's sweet.
It's just, yeah. It's the first time
And
you
it
eat
looks like
jackfruit,
meat.
right? It's like meat, right? Yeah.
Do you have any Indonesian famous restaurant you know?
Unfortunately, no. That's just too bad. That's why I cook. I cannot bring you guys to any Indonesian restaurant. So that's why I was like, okay, just bring the restaurant in my home.
Yeah.
I guess this, the food plays a vital role. Like, I have never been to Japan, but I've tried Japanese food, the sushi stuff.
That's right.
Correct. Yeah.
Same with Mexican
Exactly.
cuisine. We don't have Indonesian restaurants,
Yeah.
so we don't know.
And like with the food, you feel you know a little bit about the country, right? At least.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Honestly, as an Indonesian, I'm gonna say like preparing Indonesian meal is like a hell of a time. As Basti, like you see our kitchen when you come in, like everything is everywhere because it's like a lot of
And I
work.
already cleaned up like twice. So
Yes. Okay, you guys tell
I'm not
me.
vegetarian, I'm pescatarian.
Pescatarian.
But the thing is, I prefer fish and seafood than meat. So that doesn't mean that I don't eat, but I just prefer not to eat it because my body, like, I just got to know my body and I know that I do not process that. So it's just like I get like tummy ache.
Right.
It's just because I don't feel very comfortable the next day.
That's makes sense. A bay is like you were born vegetarian.
Born and raised vegetarian. Not with my conscience, I never had non-vegetarian food. And ever since 2019, I took a spiritual oath, so I'm abstaining myself from any sort of meat. It's gonna be.
But like before that, then you on and off trying, or
before that, I was lenient. Like
Okay.
I can eat stuff which has egg in it, like
right.
not egg on it.
all right,
But after that, I abstained myself.
right.
How long have you been vegetarian? I've been vegetarian for almost 2 years. And I did it because I love animals. Every time I was eating, I was like feeling bad. So I made I wanted to make a change. And I tried to be vegetarian first for a month, and I feel so well. Like everything in my body changed like faster. So I just
Was it hard?
no.
Really?
Yeah, it was so easy. Because
I think it's just because you commit, you want to do it. So people said if you want to make change, you have to change your set of mind first, and then it's your body gonna follow.
so I love it, but I'm so full. I cannot eat more. I have a lot of this, so that's why I get full like
The risoles.
so fast. And the potato and tofu was so good.
Yeah, I see
a little
you
bit
finish
spicy,
that
but good. And also, I have eggs here, and the mix with this it was so good also. And I think my favorite for this meal is this. It feels like meat in my mouth.
It feels like
it.
okay. Oh yeah, Mary can tell because you eat meat before,
I
right?
used to eat meat, yeah. Thank you.
All right, awesome.
Okay.
I didn't like it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. So, it's very good. Vegetarian. It was a little citrusy. Like, I thought it was like cooked with a little bit of like orange or, orange.
Oh,
It
you mean the
tastes-
flavors,
the
like
flavor.
citrusy?
Yeah.
Oh, it comes
To
from the
me-
galgan.
Okay.
It's the galgan roots. They have that kind of citrusy flavor.
Okay, it's really good. I love rice. So anything that's combined with rice, it just go really perfect. Risoles are just perfect. I would say like this is like the Indonesian taco. Cause you eat it like this, and then you eat the chili in it.
Exactly.
It's like no words for that. It was really good. And tofu, I am getting familiar with the tofu, and it's really good. This one, it was soft. I really liked it. Mixing all together and the sauce. Delicious. The texture will be more like fish to me than to meat. And for me, sweet and salty is perfect combination.
So I really like the texture of the gudeg. It was really nice. I never had it in my life before, but I really loved it. The way she prepared it, it has the perfect blend of all these spices, which I like. And obviously, this is my favorite, the sambal. The sambal is like, it's a mandatory side sauce, which I need for all the dishes, especially the Indonesian ones. The risoles are amazing. I really like the oyster mushroom in it. I love mushrooms. Yeah, when I finish most of the risole with the sambal, it's really nice. I will give 10 out of 10.
Wow. Awesome.
Sambal though.
You
Wow.
guys said everything.
You said everything.
That's usually my part. I always say you said everything.
I'll start with the jackfruit. I've tried this before also a lot of times because my mom used to cook it, but it's totally different because it has a lot of spice, what she used to cook, and this is a little bit sweet. Both of them are good, but this is totally new to me, so that's why I liked it. Tofu, I love it, and especially this thing. Everyone is saying about this, so I'll also say about this. This was so good. Wow. Anything which is breaded, I love it. And one thing which I like is you never made anything with potatoes earlier.
Yeah, well, yeah.
So yeah, so this was new to me, like potato in Indonesian cuisine. So for score, I'll give 10 on 10.
Wow. Okay, then ask them too.
10 on 10.
9.5.
Yeah, that's fair.
So this one I never tried it before. I was actually really surprised by the gudeg. I didn't expect it to be sweet at all. I thought it would be similar like rendang, like very rich in taste and more like like meaty. When I took the first bite, I realized like it's sweet. I was like blown away. But it was really good. It went perfectly fine with like the rice and like everything else on the plate. But yeah, it was really new to me. I've never tried something like this before at all. And obviously the risoles was awesome, like everyone else has already said. Yeah, it was a really, really, really good dish. I will give it... I think I will give it... Yeah, I can give it 10 out of 10. I don't need to go like 9.8. It's 10 out of 10 because it was really good. The gudeg made it for me.
Yay! Absolutely. Awesome, thank you! That's it, guys. So apparently they like it, the vegetarian gudeg. Yay! Thumbs up. So thank you Yogyakarta for the meal, and I'm happy that this is for the first time for me to try it, and then apparently my friends like it. Risoles, yeah. So it never fails to make people happy. So I'm happy that, especially Murray, you can see we don't know how much you eat, but you guys can see in the video.
All of them.
Yeah, like you can count how many each of us eat because we don't know how many of us eat that risoles already. And thank you guys for coming, and thank you for you to be excited to try Indonesian meal. And yeah, see you in the next video. And I'm so excited to introduce you and cook something different again for you. For you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Oh my, we get the new one. Show it again. How? Like, subscribe, and follow. Okay, we have it. Like, subscribe.